Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos. Today I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds in Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. Let's get started. Let's say I want to remove these two backgrounds here, this blue one and this orange one. Here's how we're going to do it, and I'm going to start with the blue background. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that that layer is selected. It's Video 3. Go into Effects, Video Effects, Keying, and then Color Key. I'm going to drag it over to the Video 3 layer here, just like that. Once I've done that, I'm going to go to the top left Effect Controls, and Color Key is going to be open here. I'm going to select this eyedropper tool, and I'm going to sample this blue background. That's the color I want to remove. Color tolerance, I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to drag this bar up until the background disappears, and sure enough, there it goes, it's gone. Now we're going to repeat the same thing to get rid of this orange background, so let's try that. So I'm going to select a layer, it's Video 4. I'm going to drag Color Key over top of it. I'm going to select the eyedropper tool. I'm going to sample this orange color, and then color tolerance, I'm going to open it up so I can use the scale and just slide it up until the orange background disappears. There we go. It's gone. And that's essentially it. Thanks for watching.